Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. On to the next problem. Lead code 948 bag of tokens. The problem statement is you start with an initial power and an initial score of 0. We have a power and a score and a bag of tokens, and tokens is a list with some integer values. Your goal is to maximize the total score. We have to maximize the total score by strategically playing these tokens. In one move you can play an unplayed token in one of the two ways. This game has two steps, face up and face down. Face up is if you have at least current power is at least okay, so we have less than or equals to token value then power. You can play face up, you will lose the power by token of I, the value, and gain score by 1. And face down is if you have at least one score, you may play token. You can play token gaining token of I. Okay, you can take token into the power, increasing the power and losing the score 1, and we have to return the maximum possible score we can play. So let's do it. So I have an idea. Let's first sort the tokens. Tokens dot sort. Let's keep on score equals to 0 and L comma equals to 0 comma length of tokens minus 1 while L is less than or if token of L is less than or equals to the power minus equals to or plus equals to 1. And if score is greater than 0, we can use the score power plus equals to token of R and L plus equals to 1, R minus equals to 1, and let's take, I have an idea. Instead of max score max score equals to maximum of max score comma score, and let's return the max score. Also, let's see the constants. Length of tokens will be between 0 and 1000. Okay. Tokens. 0 tokens, 1 token. Okay. Initially power is 200, 100. Now we have power 500. Why did it break there? Zero 03, 1, we used 1, so 1 3, we used 3, so 1 2. Maybe now it will work fine. One 0. Three initial power 200, consumed 0, power become 100, consumed 3, power become 500. 050 0111. Even this would have failed if this is 300. Else. Does this work fine? So let's try submitting it. All this worked out great. Let's see how others did for the same problem. Sorted left and right, makes a score. Great. Just like what we did. Let's see what I did previously. Okay, 27. It's token of ours. Well, that's one way to do it. Since max score is updated to +1 here, it's better if we just check out here only, which would reduce number of maximum checks, and probably the solution will be pushed to the first position. So let's see. It didn't help much. So what we are doing here is what we are doing here is we are sorting the tokens. So analog n, we initialize score and max score to 0, and we have to point to cylinder. And while moving towards cylinder, we are checking if the least, the starting least, whatever it is, the token is less than or equals to power. If it is less than or equals to power, we'll do the face up. Wait a minute, is it face up or face down? Yeah, we'll do face up, which includes consuming the power and increasing the score. And since the score is updated, we are checking the max score, and we'll increment L since we used this token. And if this case fails and if score is greater than 0, we have to consume the score and increment the power. Since the token is used, we will do R-1. If both are not the case, then we'll get to the else and we'll break the loop. Since the maximum score is stored safely, we'll return the maximum score here. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys understood the intuition. If you like the video, put it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also leave a comment so that we'll have a better reach and I can address your problems or doubts. Thank you for choosing the channel again. We'll meet you again with another video. Until then, keep learning and keep pushing hard, guys. So goodbye then.